Much like the surge in mechanical keyboards among typists and gamers due to their tactile feedback and durability, the demand for laptop bags has grown as professionals, students, and travelers look for style, comfort, and protection in one. The right laptop bag should balance build quality, ergonomic design, storage, and value. In this guide, we review 5 of the best laptop bags that combine functionality with everyday use.
List number 1. Lenovo Laptop Bag T210 Messenger Shoulder Bag for Laptop or Tablet. The Lenovo Laptop Bag T210 is a sleek, lightweight option designed for modern professionals and students who want simplicity without compromising protection. Made from durable, water-repellent fabric, it safeguards your laptop or tablet from daily spills and unexpected weather. Its minimalist design makes it versatile for both work and casual use. One of its standout features is the compact yet efficient storage layout. The main compartment easily fits laptops up to 15.6 inches, while additional pockets accommodate chargers, notebooks, and small accessories. The adjustable shoulder strap and padded handles ensure carrying comfort even on busy commutes. Its slim profile makes it highly portable, sliding effortlessly under airplane seats or into larger backpacks. Despite being thin, the bag feels sturdy and reliable, holding up well under regular use. Users who prioritize practicality and style will find this Lenovo bag ticks both boxes.
List number 2. Amazon Basics Laptop Carrying Case with shoulder strap and handle. The Amazon Basics Laptop Carrying Case is a budget-friendly yet highly functional option that provides excellent value. Designed for laptops up to 15.6 inches, it offers reliable protection in a simple, no-frills design. Made from durable polyester, it withstands everyday wear and tear while keeping your device safe. The case includes a padded main compartment, plus extra storage pockets for accessories like chargers, cables, and notepads. Its dual carrying options, a comfortable shoulder strap, and padded handles make it convenient for different travel scenarios. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for daily commutes, school, or office use. Where this bag shines is in affordability without compromise. It doesn't boast premium leather or luxury styling, but it delivers practical, dependable protection at a price nearly anyone can afford. For travelers, it's compact enough to serve as a personal carry-on item. Verdict: a budget-friendly laptop bag that offers straightforward protection, comfort, and portability, making it perfect for students and professionals.
List number 3. LoveVook Laptop Bag for Women 15.6 inch. The LoveVook Laptop Bag is a stylish choice specifically designed for women who want functionality without sacrificing elegance. With its sleek design, multiple compartments, and professional aesthetic, it doubles as both a work tote and laptop bag. Crafted from premium waterproof material, it keeps devices safe while maintaining a fashionable appearance. Its storage capacity is impressive, fitting laptops up to 15.6 inches while offering organized sections for phones, wallets, notebooks, and even a water bottle. The interior is thoughtfully designed with padded compartments that ensure both device safety and easy organization. Comfort is also considered, with sturdy handles and a detachable shoulder strap for versatile carrying. Unlike many utilitarian laptop bags, this one looks professional in meetings but stylish enough for casual outings. Users rave about its balance of fashion and function, making it especially appealing for businesswomen, teachers, and college students.
List number 4. Rainsmore Messenger Bag for Men 16-inch leather laptop bags. The Rainsmore Messenger Bag is crafted for those who prefer a classic leather look combined with modern practicality. Built from high-quality PU leather and durable canvas, it offers a sophisticated yet rugged design that suits business, casual, or travel use. Its spacious interior can hold laptops up to 16 inches, with additional compartments for books, documents, chargers, and personal items. The multiple zippered and flap-secured pockets add to its functionality, while the adjustable strap ensures comfort during long commutes.
The standout feature here is its professional meets casual design. The leather accents add polish, while the messenger style keeps it versatile enough for office meetings or casual outings. It's not just a laptop bag, it doubles as an everyday work or travel companion. Built with durability in mind, the bag resists wear while keeping a timeless appearance. For those who appreciate style as much as functionality, it's an excellent investment. Verdict: perfect for men looking for a stylish leather laptop bag that balances spacious storage, durability, and professional appeal.
List number 5. Targus Classic Slim Laptop Bag, Ergonomic. The Targus Classic Slim Laptop Bag is a reliable, ergonomic option for professionals who prioritize comfort and practicality. Designed to fit laptops up to 15.6 inches, it combines slim styling with padded protection. The durable polyester exterior ensures long-lasting use while keeping the bag lightweight and portable. The bag's ergonomic features set it apart. With padded handles, a detachable shoulder strap, and a lightweight design, it reduces strain during extended use. The smart interior includes a padded laptop compartment plus extra space for accessories, making organization effortless. Its slim build makes it travel-friendly, fitting easily under airplane seats or into overhead compartments. Targus is a trusted brand in laptop protection, and this bag upholds that reputation by offering dependable protection without unnecessary bulk. Verdict: a professional-grade laptop bag for those who value portability, durability, and comfort. Perfect for work, business trips, and daily commutes.